So we believe this to be a game change based on circumstances that we are aware of right now.
Let's get a clarify. Sergeant Loudermilk there got a report of a neighbor dispute of a firework.
Everybody, I need a fireworks being lit up here. So this, look at that, dude. That's what I found out, dude. The moment I found out, you're from there, I was always talking about stuff. Well, if there's